Hi, I'm Zyberry, and we are ready to seize the spotlight.
A memorable experience that always comes to mind is cooking with my mom. While everyone does say this, I do know that. Both of my parents are in the culinary industry or were. I always feel connected with her, and that's really where my journey with food started. I envision my career in the future to be a private chef, and then I also would like to work for someone with a Michelin star. And that came from the people around me because I see how passionate they are about their work. Not only do I love cooking, but I want the people that I feed to feel the passion through my food.
I'm Matthew Perez, and we're ready to seize the spotlight.
The aspect of the culinary industry that excites me the most is honestly the ever-changing field. There's no person at this current moment that knows everything about culinary, okay? It is a field that you can constantly learn and constantly get better at. It really what inspires how I create food right now, because I like taking these foods that I've seen as forgotten and bringing them to the light, because I think culture should be remembered, should not be forgotten, right? One example is I took mofongo and I try to make it our main dish. I try to make it the star of the show. I invented this new bread where it's a Sabor Burger, which is a plantain-based bread from outside. It was a very fun, and cooking at the end of the day is a passion, and not just a passion with food, but a passion with the people and the cultures you are incorporated with.
I'm Len Hernandez, and we're ready to seize the spotlight.
I describe my mentor, who has influenced me in culinary, is always honest. Never expected him to be kind to me, to take pity on me because of my mistakes that always push me forward, who challenges me to see if I can handle the pressure of this establishment.
I'm Raina Daniels, and we're ready to seize the spotlight.
One of the most challenging situations that I have been in is definitely dealing with a whole bunch of personalities of people thinking that they can't make mistakes when you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. And everybody's moods, it's a lot of work, but with patience and teamwork, we can get it done.
My name is Anthony Ocampo, and we're ready to seize the spotlight.
Well, I have two pretty much dishes that are held in my heart. It's one that was for Universal. That was the Sabor Burger. That one is deep to my heart since that one was a new creation with a whole different team that I had. It also introduced this topic that anything can be created into these dishes. What I hope to achieve in the ProStart competition for Chicago is to learn new things from different teams, different techniques that they've introduced into the culinary field. Teamwork is very important to me, at least, because everybody's different. Everybody can influence and create new things as a group, or just by yourself, honestly. That, for me, is what I hope to achieve, that I can get from this. The message that I hope I can convey into my culinary creations is practically a story.
Through patience, through passion.
Through technique.
The word that I want to convey through my food is creativity.